For applications with Corning OptiTap hardened connectors, it is recommended to store feed cables on the side of the organizer where the bus bar is located. For high fiber counts, it may be necessary to store the feed cables on the opposite side. On the side of the organizer opposite the bus bar, install 7 plastic routing clips into the location shown. Install the required quantity of OptiTap adapters into the terminal bulkhead before mounting the bulkhead to the organizer. Be sure to orient the dust caps upwards as shown. Using the hardware provided, install the terminal bulkhead into the uppermost horizontal slot in the organizer. The bulkhead should be oriented as shown. Install splice tray brackets and splice trays as per the corresponding tray installation video. Route and secure buffer tubes to the trays. Expose and store the bare fiber per your company practices. If using a splitter, ensure the tray being used comes with a compatible splitter block. Insert the splitter block into the tray, then insert the splitter into the block. Splice and store the splitter input per your company practices. Route splitter outputs directly out of the tray, securing them to the tray opening with felt and tie wraps. Reinstall the tray cover and secure the tray organizer using the hold-down strap. Route the splitter outputs to the opposite side of the organizer, through either the top or bottom pass-through slots. In this video, we will use the bottom pass-through slot. Route the splitter outputs to the top of the terminal bulkhead using the routing clips. Be careful to maintain all bend radius requirements. Insert the splitter outputs into the OptiTap adapters per your company practices. If desired, you can loosely secure the splitter outputs to the organizer using felt and tie wraps.